Hi there, I'm Bill Gallagher, President at CFG Merchant Solutions. Welcome to Small Biz Forum, where we simplify finance for growing businesses. In today's video, we are going to go over how to create a cash flow statement in a few simple steps. A cash flow statement shows how money flows in and out of your business, vital for knowing whether you can pay your bills, grow, or need to adjust. Step 1. Start with beginning cash. Start with the amount of cash you had at the beginning of the period, usually the start of the month or quarter. In the sample cash flow statement, we see that this company starts June 1st at $15,000. Step 2. Add operating cash flow. This includes money from customers, minus expenses like rent, payroll, and supplies. Think of it as your day-to-day cash engine. We see in the sample statement, $40,000 comes in, and $10,000, $12,000, $3,000, and $2,000 go out. Step 3, add investing activities. If you've bought equipment or sold a vehicle, record that here. These are long-term investments, not everyday expenses. In the sample, we see $5,000 goes out and $2,000 comes in. Step 4, add financing activities. This includes loans, repayments, or new capital from investors. Any money that comes from or goes to financing. In the sample, we see $10,000 comes in and $2,000 goes out. Step 5, calculate net cash flow for the period. Calculate the total of your net operating cash flow, net investing cash flow, and net financing cash flow. In the sample, we see that the net cash flow for the period is $18,000. Finally, step 6, calculate ending cash. Take the beginning cash from step 1 and the net cash flow from step 5 and find the total. Your ending cash is what you'll start with next period, and it's the number every small biz owner should watch closely. In our sample statement, we see that this business's ending balance is $33,000. Don't wait until the end of the year to understand your cash flow. Update it monthly and use it to make smarter decisions. And if you ever feel stuck, reach out to someone like CFG Merchant Solutions, who can help. CFG Merchant Solutions helps small businesses like yours stay cash strong. If you find this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to Small Biz Forum, and follow along to keep your business moving forward.